GitHub is a company that helps store and manage code in the cloud. To understand GitHub properly, it's important to first understand Git because GitHub is built on top of Git. Git is a free version control system. It is a tool that you can install on your local machine, whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Git allows you to manage changes to your source code. It works with any programming language and any type of application. With Git, you can create snapshots of your code called commits. These commits capture the state of your code at any specific point in time, allowing you to track changes and revert to earlier versions if needed. Git also allows you to work on multiple versions of your code at the same time using branches. Branches make it possible to develop new features without affecting the existing stable version of your application. You can easily switch between branches and commits using Git commands. In short, Git helps you control your source code and experiment safely and recover from mistakes. GitHub, on the other hand, is a cloud based platform that hosts Git repositories. A repository is simply a storage space that contains your code. When you use Git locally, your project is stored in a local repository. With GitHub, you can create repositories in the cloud and connect them to your local repositories. This allows you to push your code to the cloud and pull it back whenever needed. If your local machine crashes or you switch to a new device, your code remains safe and accessible. GitHub supports both public and private repositories and allows you to control who can view or modify your code. Beyond code storage, GitHub provides tools for collaborative development. These include issues for bug tracking, pull requests for reviewing and merging code changes, and project boards for organizing work. GitHub also offers automation features called GitHub Actions.